happy birthday to you.
How do you feel about turning 30?
Called the front desk, and they seemed very unconcerned at the fact that we could set off a fire alarm and potentially the sprinkler system. She's like, it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. I'm like, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech ha'olam. I'm like, so.
What are you most thankful for? What are you most looking forward to this next year? How do you feel about turning 30?
I feel fine, it's not that big of a deal. 30s, yeah, it's great. I'm an adult now.
So Nick and I are downtown Minneapolis for the weekend. We just got here a little bit ago, kind of unpacked and ate some snacks, and now we're gonna go, what, walk around?
Walk around, check out downtown.
Walk around downtown.
Lay of the land.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
What's your favorite part about downtown?
I don't know, just the buzz, the atmosphere. I don't know, the architecture of the buildings are pretty cool too. Everything's within like walking distance is kind of cool.
The Skyways.
Skyways is awesome.
Which is where we are right now. Oh, I'm a really bad filmer. Okay. Really coming down now. I just can't stop looking at it. So earlier we went to Trader Joe's, picked up some wine, and we're gonna make some lamb chops and steak and asparagus, and hopefully we have everything we need in this cute little kitchen. So we have some lamb on the stove. Right over there. And of course the vent right there. It just kind of blows it up into the ceiling. It doesn't really vent it out anywhere. So we just have to cook carefully and try not to make too much smoke.
Called the front desk, and they seemed very unconcerned at the fact that we could set off a fire alarm and potentially the sprinkler system. She's like, it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. I'm like, I don't know if that's...
She said that?
Yeah.
If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen?
Yeah, I was like, I
Oh
don't
my
know if that's
gosh.
like the best policy to have when it comes to like... I mean, this probably cost $100,000, this little room here. And sprinklers set it off, you have to redo everything, you know.
But
I'm sure that's not their policy, but this woman...
it is quite unusual, though, for hotel guests to be cooking lamb in their hotel room. Like, I'm pretty sure we're probably the only people who have ever done that.
I don't know about that. I think it's possible.
No. Maybe they'd make, like, mac and cheese or oatmeal. Not fancy lamb. But you know what? That's just us for ya. We do things the fancy way when we can. Hopefully they turn out okay. I'm hungry.
So good.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's money. Oh,
They look good.
it's amazing.
Good job, babe.
Wow.
Hotel cooking. Right here. You could open up a restaurant.
Thought about it. Only thing better than lamb is wine. Lamb. Here we go.
Here we go. Wow. That was so good. If you've never tried lamb before, you should really try it. Unless you're a vegetarian. Then I'm sorry.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech ha'olam. You go down the right too. That's good work.
I will take the ring to Moldo. I do not know the way.
Hey everybody, it's your birthday.
My birthday.
Today is the day. Today's the big day. He's 30. We didn't really document much today. We went to church. We went to First Baptist Church in Minneapolis, which is a great church. It's where we got married. It's where his grandparents go. So that was really fun. And then we just kind of had a relaxing afternoon. And now we're in the IDS Center again, because why not? The tree is gorgeous. And we're gonna go have a fancy dinner in a little bit.
Sounds awesome.
So, Nick, I want to know, what are you most thankful for this year, now that you're 30 or whatever?
I was, just thinking about this. I think I'm most thankful for the fact that for being 30, I've already spent a good deal of my life with you.
Oh, babe.
And having kids.
That's
like,
really sweet.
A lot of people put those things off, like millennials do. You know, they wait till my age to get married. And I'm
Yeah.
not saying there's anything necessarily wrong with waiting to marry when you're a little bit older, but it is now, in retrospect, something I'm thankful for, because we've been married for 8 going on 9 years, and we have 3 kids, and it's been a lot of work. It's been, there's ups and downs with that, but on the whole, it's really cool to share my life, so much, a good chunk of my life now with you guys. I mean, I'm still
That's so
relatively
sweet.
young, and yet
Yeah.
a good chunk of my life has been shared
Well-
with you, and that's really cool.
Oh, babe.
Yeah.
You're being all sweet.
That's true.
Yeah, because I met you when I was 15.
Yep.
So it's been 15 years
Mm-hmm.
of knowing each other. It's half our life.
It is half our life.
That's crazy. What are you most looking forward to this next year?
Well, our cruise in January is up there right now, but
Yeah.
I think on the whole, I probably won't be done yet with school or with seminary, but I'll be just about
Close.
ready to graduate from Southern, and that's going to be great. So, I'm really looking forward to that.
So you're looking forward to graduating?
Yeah, Lord willing. I mean, things could happen,
Yep.
but as it stands,
No, nothing will happen.
I mean, if we got delayed a semester, it's not a big deal, but I'm just hoping that
Yeah.
I'll be able to tick that off the list.
Yes. All right. What do you want to eat at Zalo?
Oh my goodness, there's so many good, such good food there.
Zalo is one of our favorite spots downtown Minneapolis. It's a
Really
really
good.
great restaurant, and you worked there for a little while.
For a little while, and then I got
Long
fired.
time ago.
It was hard. It was a tough.
It's
time.
fine.
Yeah.
It was good.
I'm done with it.
But anyway,
very
what are you thinking? What are you hankering for?
Well,
Steak or
their
seafood?
Their sea bass is fantastic.
Oh, okay.
So I'm kind of leading, but they've got really good food. So I don't know. I'll
Okay.
have to. And there's always seasonal stuff, so I have to check out the menu.
Yeah,
But
it'll be fun. We love our food.
our food is.
Yep.
You know,
Who cooks lamb in a hotel room? I guess we do. You did.
well, us. Yeah, actually,
You
we
did
chopped
it.
up
I just cut some stuff.
the asparagus and the onions.
That's it. It's not much.
It's okay.
All right. Cool.
Okay.
See you in a bit, guys. Look at that. Are you surprised?
Yeah, I didn't think there'd be that many people who wanted to come to Zalo.
We've got a party coming, but he doesn't know who they are
I
yet.
have no idea. Oh, over here. I just saw you guys. Oh my.
Take a bite.
What's that?
How was it?
So good. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick. Happy birthday to
Thank
you.
you. That's very kind. Thank you.
All right.
Speech.
Make a wish. Blow it out. Good morning. So, yeah, we didn't film a whole lot last night, but we had a nice time at Zalo. Nick was pretty surprised to see all his family there. That was fun. So we're heading home. We just stopped at Walmart for a few things, and we have some caribou, and now we're on our way home. Feel well rested.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Nick. Birthday vlog. Woohoo! 30. And that's it. So, thanks for watching. We had a fun weekend.